Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making saltfish fritters. Come cook with me. First thing first, you want to chop up some seasoning. Then you're going to boil your saltfish, get out the salt, and then you're going to make that into little pieces. You're going to break it into little pieces, just like that. Then you're going to get your skillet. I have a little one. You're going to make it hot and then add your oil, and then you're going to add your chopped seasoning to that. And then you're going to let it saute and get translucent. Now the flavor married each other, you're going to add your saltfish to it. And mix and mix and stir and stir. And then you're going to just let it sit on the stove and saute it and come together. Alright, now that everything come together, turn the stove off and just let it sit, and get your pan with a nice size spoon. Then you're going to add some flour. And while I'm adding my flour, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and people who watch and like and comment and support me. Thank you guys. I love you all for all that. Alright, I had my flour. I'm not making a lot. Now I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, blend everything together. Then you're going to get some water and mix that together. And as you can see, I'm being cautious. Right, you want to make sure it's nice and runny, just like that, and all the flour blend out and it's smooth. And then you're going to add your saute saltfish. And just mix that together now, guys. Blend everything together. Now I have a bigger skillet, and I'm just going to add my fritters to hot oil. And then you're just going to leave that, let it fry on medium to low heat. And then you're going to flip them. And you want to turn the stove all the way down, you know, you want it to slowly fry and soak on the inside. And you can flip them again if you want it to feel a little bit more crispy. I like them to be a little bit more crispy. Those are so beautiful. Now I have runny mouth. Hungry now. And before you know it, guys, they're all done and I can eat. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.